welcome back to Rhea's Kitchen. And guys, Angie and I are back for another Christmas segment, and today we are making hot chocolate bombs. From my kitchen and from my family to yours, Merry Christmas! So yes guys, today we are making hot chocolate bombs. And Angie, what are hot chocolate bombs?
I don't know, but I always see it on Instagram or TikTok, so I think it's the latest social media food craze of 2020.
Yeah, and it looks so delicious. It's actually just a ball of milk chocolate or white chocolate, whatever your heart desires. And it has mallows and cocoa powder, and some people, they put sprinkles or even candy cane, crushed candy canes inside. So guys, we are so excited. Don't judge us. This is our first time to make it, and we are very happy to share it with you all. So let's get started. Okay guys, for the hot chocolate bombs that we'll be doing today, we are gonna do the simple way. Okay, the ingredients that we need are, so I'm gonna be doing milk chocolate with some Chip-Its, and Angie will be doing...
So I'll be making white chocolate, and in the inside we're gonna add cocoa powder, marshmallows, and try to add some sprinkles as well.
Yes, and to mold our actual bombs, we need our silicone. Okay guys, so we are excited to make this, and let's get started. So guys, this recipe is not too hard, hopefully, because we don't have to bake. The first step that we have to do is to melt our chocolate in the microwave. But we have to be very careful not to totally melt our chocolate, because what we have to do is put it in the microwave for 15 seconds, and then we have to stir it, and then put it back in the microwave, and then stir it back again until we get the right temperature of the chocolate. So we're just gonna do that, and we'll be right back. So we're just trying to stir our chocolate to make sure that the heat is evenly distributed on our chocolates here. We don't want it to be too melted, because we want it to hold on to our silicone mold.
So we're ready to put the first layer in our mold, and then we're gonna put it in the freezer for 5 minutes.
Yeah, and then we're gonna do a second layer and then put it back in the freezer for another 5 minutes. Okay, so we are done with our first layer. We're just gonna pop it in the freezer for 5 minutes, and then we'll put in our second layer. So guys, after 5 minutes in the freezer, this is what it looks like. And if you can see, there's like some bald spots. That's why we have to do a second layer, just to make sure that we cover all those bald spots. So guys, we are done with our second layer. It's not perfect, but you don't really want to see the inside. It's the outside that's gonna look so cool when we pour in the milk. So we're gonna put this back in the freezer for another 5 minutes. So guys, our second layer is done. So we're gonna take it out of our mold. Just carefully, and just press it. And then just gonna put it here on top. It looks so nice. Oops, sorry. There we go. There. So here are our circle hot choco bombs, and we're gonna put the filling inside. So I'm just gonna put the cocoa powder on my milk chocolate, and then Angie is gonna put some hot cocoa powder or cocoa powder. Then I'm just gonna put some marshmallows. And then we're gonna add a little bit of sprinkles just for color. We're gonna be adding more so it looks bomb. Let's put more, let's add more. There. Oops. And again, guys, we are not professionals, but we're gonna try our best. Okay, so here is our plate. I'm gonna take our first spear, and then I'm just gonna do this. So it's gonna melt the sides of the chocolate, and then I'm going to connect it to our the other half of our choco bombs. Here we go. Okay. Again, we are not professionals, so we're gonna try our best. And if you want to totally seal it, you can take a fork and put it in a microwave for maybe 10-15 seconds, and then you can just swipe the sides just so it will close up. Okay,
Okay, go.
so we're done with the 2 milk chocolates, and then Angie's gonna do the white chocolate. So she's just heating it up, and then boom. Yee, wow. It looks so nice with a hint of some chocolates. So guys, our choco bombs are ready, and we are gonna make our hot choco bomb. So Angie, do you wanna use the white chocolate? So we're just gonna put it in our mugs here, and then we have piping hot milk. Just gonna pour it in, and you're gonna see it melt. Here we go. Doesn't want to open. See? Wow! That looks so cool. And then we're just gonna stir our hot chocolate, and we're gonna enjoy it. Wow. So cool. So guys, our hot chocolates are ready. It's tikima time. Cheers, Edgy. Mmm. Mmm. It's so good. Mmm. It's the best, guys. You should definitely try this at home very soon. And that's it for our video today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed our hot chocolate bomb experiment today. And as always, if you guys like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more cooking and baking videos. And again, thank you to my beautiful sister-in-law, Angela, for joining me again today. Cheers!
Cheers!
Merry Christmas! Bye!